how to set up lines and grids on notes on Android. In order to do so, you may follow up this step. So navigate to the Notes application on your Android device, and once you are there, you may head over to a note, create a note. So once you're under this create a note section, in this interface, specifically on a Samsung phone, you may go ahead and tap on the three dot at the top and look for the option called Page Template. You may also look for options related to lines and grids or style of new notes. Let's head over to Page Template for this one. Once you are there, here you'll be finding default option, but different grids and lines available. So if you want to choose the first option, you may select the first option and apply it, and here you are finding this kind of lines on your screen. Similarly, if you want to apply different cube options, this one right here, grid option, you may use this option. We also have different other options available. You may select according to your own choice. Once that is done, you may go ahead and set up your desired notes on your Android device, and that's it. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.